Okay, we're here with Komal Pawar. Welcome, Komal.
Hello.
We're going to do speed casting with Ryan Lobo. Are you ready? We have
Yes,
5
I
minutes on
am.
the clock,
Yes, I'm
and
in.
let's go.
Yes, I'm
All
in.
right. So you are head of communications for MLA Divya Rane.
Yes.
That's big, and you have done so much over here for the Cashew Fest. We've been in touch before this
Yes.
also. In fact, we worked a couple of years ago.
Yes,
So
for
tell
Vishnu
us.
sir.
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
So tell me what's been happening. How have you experienced this through your eyes?
So I've been here since the curation of the season 1, and it has been a fantastic experience for me. And the experience that I've got, that's the groundwork that we have laid since season 1. It has been.
This is season 4.
This is season 4, but I'm talking from season 1.
Wow.
It has been amazing.
Congratulations, by
Yes.
the way.
And so it's like, we started it from the grassroots, and today it is where it is. And that's only because of the vision of Dr. Divya Rane ma'am. And we are just the helping hand, the pillars for her. So it's been great. It's been fantastic.
From caterpillar
To a butterfly. Flying, and today's
Mac,
flying high.
yeah, absolutely. Max says from caterpillar to pillar.
Okay. So caterpillar to pillar. Yes, I'm gonna use that phrase going on.
Mac is good with all this.
Yes,
so
he is.
tell us. I mean, I'm just thinking. Yesterday's performance of Jonita was so amazing. You're getting all these amazing artists to Goa, and this entire thing is free of cost for the
Right.
public. It's simply brilliant.
Yes,
Like
yes.
I was just enjoying yesterday. Apart from doing this, we did
Yeah.
16 interviews yesterday.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, so today I'm hoping
You
to
didn't
break
call
that
me
record.
yesterday.
Because you said you're coming today. You already told me
Yes,
you're coming
yes,
today.
yes, yes.
So tell me more. Tell me.
So, I'll tell you about the curation of
Yes.
the art, how we curate, how we get artists on board, and how we select our artists. So basically, it is not basis the trend. If you go to see today, Jasmine is trending, but we didn't get her. But we got the people. Like this was Jonita's first show in Goa. She's never done. So we're getting artists to Goa who have never performed here, who've never experienced this kind of an audience.
Yeah.
Hence the reason of getting Jonita to Goa. Now Sachin Jigar also, they have not done a performance like this in Goa where a crowd of 10 to 15,000 people are coming in day 1 or day 2 of the festival.
Yeah.
So we are looking at artists who are going to bring the crowd. So basically the name is only enough to get the crowd
Yeah.
to the festival. That.
Yes. Why did you choose Jonita? Because I've already seen Jonita. She
Bec-
was excellent, man.
Because
She
this
was
is the
so
first,
good.
she has never performed in Goa. And we
Wow.
wanted to give the people of Goa a taste of Jonita Gandhi.
You know what I liked about her? That she not only did Hindi, but she did English. She
English
did Tamil also.
Do you know she's a Canadian singer?
Oh, I didn't know
She's a
that.
Canadian singer, yes. Yes.
So-
hence the accent.
No wonder.
Yes,
and
yes.
what's her ethnicity roots? Any idea?
I think
Jonita
she's a
sounds
North
very
Indian.
very Goan, by the way.
No, she's not
She's not
Goan.
Goan.
She's a North Indian, I think.
Okay.
Yes, I need to check on that. I'm a little
Nice, but
yeah.
she was excellent. Like
Yeah, she was,
really,
she was. Yes,
wow.
yes, yes.
Okay, tell me what else goes into this.
Getting stakeholders, they are the pillars of our festival.
Right.
Without them, there is no festival. So
Absolutely.
today,
So
this
when
year,
you say stakeholder, all the vendors.
all the vendors, so food, beverage, retail, everybody comes into that. This year, we have 96 stalls.
Last year, how many?
86.
Wow.
Yes. This includes food, beverage, retail, everybody.
Nice.
Yeah. So
Amazing.
Yeah, and without them, there's no festival. So,
Yeah,
yes.
absolutely.
So we make sure that we sit with them before the festival, understand their concerns, what are their requirements, so that we give them whatever they need, and
Yeah.
even beyond that. So that is very important. We have our stakeholders meeting just 1 month before the festival to make sure that we are catering to everybody and whatever their needs are.
Yeah.
So this is the most important factor of the festival is sitting with the stakeholders, and year by year we have only improved by asking them what was missing last year, so
Okay.
that we can fulfill that the coming year, the next
Lovely.
year. Yeah.
Nice. And tell me, if somebody wants to become a vendor stall person
Yeah,
next
yeah.
year, what are the prices for the stalls? Any idea?
We,
Estimate?
so basically for food and beverage it's 30,000 for 3 days.
Okay.
For retail it's 15,000 for
Okay.
3 days. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. And for self-help groups we don't charge. We give them the stall free of cost. So there are about 20 or more self-help groups that we've given the stalls for free.
Yeah?
Yes, absolutely.
Because I've already bought some of the. So I've bought some jamuns today.
Yeah.
So delicious.
Yeah.
And
they
some.
are from the remote areas of Goa.
Yeah.
Whatever you find at the self-help group stalls. They're whatever, if you see any handicrafts, they're all hand woven.
Yes.
So it's
But I really liked, even the pink rickshaws are here.
Yes,
So you'll have
yes.
really done a lot. And I would love to do something for you guys next year. This year was a little,
Definitely. It
little
was
too short.
Too short, yes.
But I'd love to do
Yes,
something. I
yes.
mean, you all are doing an amazing job, even with women empowerment.
Yes.
Amazing.
The Goan Mardani that we launched yesterday. I got goosebumps looking at the choreography. It
Tell
was
me
so
about that.
good.
Let's talk about that.
So basically, ma'am raised this issue in the assembly as a private member resolution that we should have self-defense training as part of the curriculum in the schools, and also a session in the remote areas of Goa where they do not have the facility, where they don't have that exposure to go go and get these sessions. Here we are going to provide them this thing at free of cost.
Amazing.
Yes, so that tomorrow
Amazing.
or anyone who even they step out any hour of the day, they feel confident. They feel that a sense of security within themselves that we can fight back. We don't have to be scared to get out at late at night or any hour of the day.
Amazing.
That's
An
point.
incredible initiative. Thank you, Komal. We're out of time, but if we can get Ma'am Divya Rane here,
Definitely.
that'll be
I will
amazing.
definitely get her either tonight or tomorrow.
All right, all
Definitely.
right.
Thank you so much. Thank you for
It's
having
been a
me. Thank
pleasure.
you.